So, hi, it's me, Denny Daniel, and I'm here with
Sandy.
Jacob.
And they came all the way from New York. And they're actually fantastic medical professionals. So if you have an ailment, you need to call them to solve that problem. You'll clearly be using my quack medical devices, I hope.
I hope so.
Now that you've learned so much fantastic medical technology, that now you know exactly what to cure people with, especially toothaches. So now they're going to open up one of these items. I've got 3 items here, and each one of them is going to open one of these. I do this like a 40-second treat shell game, which I remember as a kid, where a guy showed up with 3 shells, and he would have a quarter under one of the shells, and then he would mix up the shells, and if you guess which one had the quarter, you'd win something. The only difference here is I don't have 3 shells. There isn't a quarter under any of my boxes, and you win nothing. So ethically, it's exactly like a New York shell game if you think about it. The only similarity is I am going to mix up the boxes. So here's me mixing up the boxes. Are you guys confused?
A little bit.
Little, he needs more. Are you guys confused?
Yes.
Good answer. Okay, so here are the boxes, and each one of you can pick one.
What would you
It's like the orange one.
The orange one, excellent.
I'll take the
And
brown
there's
one.
your scalpel.
Thank you.
And there is your scalpel.
Thank you. All right.
And off you go.
We can do it.
Yes, yeah, absolutely.
Where is Sherman?
No, don't do it. You're not supposed to read.
Is that like?
Because then the
in
Addams family gets
America?
angry at us.
Is that in America?
I
How do you
don't
know?
know. Oh, yours is already popping out all over the place.
Taking a mess. You know?
I would cut from the side there, yeah. Ta-da. I'll take that from you. Wow, that's so
Wow.
cool. I never would have guessed that's in there. That is great. This I just got. It's part of our History of Toys show. My wind-up circus show is what I like to call it. And my space show also. I have a doomsday show on space. So these are the UFO, and it actually says UFO right on them. These are the UFO wind-up toys. So you would wind this up. Wow, the opposite direction. How strange. Usually you wind up. Oh my God, it totally works. That is cool. So now you can
Wow.
do your trip to the moon with this. Excellent. That's a really cool one for you to open. That is so fun. This is going to be a star of the toy show. This is going to every show. This is so cool.
I like
Yeah,
it. It's
you
pretty
can
cool.
say you were the one who opened this. That is really cool. I'm not sure the age of this one, but it looks pretty old. The guy didn't know the age either, too bad. That is really,
When were
really
they
impressive. I love that
around?
one. That is a fun one for you to open.
When
Your
were
dad
they
would be
popular?
proud. What?
When were they popular?
Tin toys were popular from like early to late 1900s up until today. The big era for this was like the 50s, when it was really like a big thing, and we were getting all these from all these strange countries and stuff. Yeah, it became a really big thing then when you had like robots and everything, especially during the space race. Everyone got into making robots and UFOs and things. I've never seen the UFO one. I've got a duck family that's like this. That's like a bunch of ducks.
Really?
So, which is in my bedroom right by my bed. So now I'm going to put the aliens next to it so I can be abducted in my sleep. No, I'm kidding. That's a really cool one. So what did you open?
Black. It might be a book.
I'll take this from you. Yeah, it looks like a book. I never would have guessed that was a book.
Oh,
So it looks like a book, right?
but it's not.
It's not? Oh! Oh, that's so cool! Those are from the world's smallest record player, the Mighty Tiny. Yep, and I have the record player for that. I'm going to bring it over. It's right here. So, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the world's smallest record player, the Mighty Tiny. It's from around 1968. And are you ready to see this boy here go ooh and ah? There is the world's smallest record.
That's really neat. That's cool.
That's not ooh and ah. That's really
Ooh,
neat.
ah.
Excellent. Now he knows his lines. He needs cue cards. So there it is, the world's smallest record. Fits in the palm of your hand. 30 seconds of cheesy music. And you now own the cheesy music. So this is, well, you opened the cheesy music. So these are, and they came in these cool packages. Isn't that great? So this is the Calypso ones. And look at this great, like the album covers.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the Calypso one. And then you opened up a country and western one. Mighty Tiny, world's smallest record. And this is the foreign music one, the exotic one. And this one is the, what? Marches. Okay, march. Oh, look how cool that is. And this one's, oh, there's a circus clown march one.
Oh.
That is so cool. Oh my God. You opened up like the mother lode. Latin music with cha-cha.
Oh, yeah.
That
Wow.
is so cool. So now whenever I show this, Sandy, you could say, I was the one who opened it before Denny. And this one, Dixieland Jazz. That's really cool. Oh my God. You really opened up like the holy grail of this. Oh my God, rock and roll one. And clearly these are famous rock and roll people.
Oh, yeah.
Those are very famous. That was like the Rolling Stones for that time. I've never heard of any of these people. Laughing Trumpet? That's hysterical. These are really, that is amazing. Very cool ones for you to open.
Great. It's really neat.
Can we hear this?
I don't have a battery on that machine yet. And they played really terribly. I've got like 5 of the machines and over 100 records. But I like the ones, but I have them loose. When they come in the, you know, in this original record sleeves and everything, it's even cooler.
Yeah.
And this would be about 38 cents for 4 to
Wow.
buy the 4 of them. That's about the price because I have a package of these over there and it actually still has the price tag on it. It was about 34, 38 cents as I recall. But yeah, they played very randomly. So even with the battery, it would like play whenever it felt like. It's really
Is this
crazy.
more like a toy for a younger person?
Yeah,
Or actually
yeah.
like a...
If you go on the website, you'll see the graphic, and it's like a little girl like you, but she has this funny little, you know, haircut like this, and she's like, open her mouth like that. I don't think I have the box with the original graphics sitting here, but I should keep it out over here somewhere because it's so cute. I just keep the original record player out all the time. But yeah, it was meant as a toy for kids. Yeah, it was meant. It wasn't for like rock and roll fans and high fidelity stuff. It was just silly, fun toy stuff. The Mighty Tiny from around the late '60s. Very cool one to open.
Thank you for letting us open. That was
You're welcome. And we'll say bye to the world. Bye, world.
Hi.